Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect the R36S handheld to Wi-Fi. First, you will need two things. The first thing you need is a USB OTG adapter. The second thing you need is a USB Wi-Fi dongle that is compatible with the R36S. Not all dongles work, so make sure yours is supported. Start by turning off the R36S completely. Now take the USB Wi-Fi dongle and connect it to the USB port of the OTG adapter. Make sure it is plugged in properly. Next, take the USB-C side of the OTG adapter and connect it to the bottom right port of the R36S. Do not use the bottom left port. The bottom left port is only for charging and power. Turn the R36S back on and wait for the system to load. Once you are on the main screen, go to the Settings menu. Inside Settings, look for the Wi-Fi or Network option. Turn Wi-Fi on. The system will start searching for nearby wireless networks. You can also connect the R36S to the internet using an Android phone. To do this, take a USB-C data cable and connect one end to your Android phone and the other end to the R36S. After connecting the cable, unlock your Android phone and go to its settings. Find the Network or Hotspot section and enable USB tethering. Once USB tethering is turned on, the R36S will automatically detect the internet connection. You do not need to enter a Wi-Fi password for this method. Thanks for watching.